Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. As most of you were holding buy positions, you were scared that what will happen to gold, and finally we can see that there are signs of trend reversal. There are signs of hope, there are signs of good recovery on the chart of gold. So let's discuss. First of all, dollar gains on US economic strength and yuan weakness. And this is the chart of dollar as we know it very well that for the last couple of days and weeks, DXY or US dollar index is very bullish. Not only technically, but all the news fundamental factors are also helping DXY to fly. DXY made a high of 105.15, and right now we can see that slowly the market is losing steam, the market is losing momentum, and we also have a falling, so not a falling wedge, it's a rising wedge on the chart here. As we know it very well that rising wedge is a trend reversal pattern. Okay, so there is a possibility that we may get to see some correction here. Yes, though rising wedge is a trend reversal pattern, but still I'm not hoping for a complete trend reversal because fundamentals are above all. No fundamental factors are pushing the market down, so you cannot expect that there will be a complete trend reversal because of the technicals. No, if market comes down also, that will just be a part of the correction. But yes, there is a chance, there is a possibility that we may get to see some correction on the chart of DXY because we can easily see that slowly market is losing momentum. So today we don't have any news, so that's a relief because okay, my god, okay, news okay, there are too many news in the market. So today there is no news coming up in the US session, so we can expect that more or less the technicals will dominate the market during the day. If market comes down also, we have a support around 104.60 to 104.40. This is a whole support zone on the chart of DXY. If the volatility of the market remains like this, then obviously market will not be going for deeper retracement. In that case, you can expect that DXY will bounce from this range only, but otherwise there is a chance that market will be going for some retracement finally. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. As I said that most of you are holding buy positions because if we go to Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 60% retail traders are holding buy positions, and each and every day I receive around 20 to 30 emails and messages where people are asking my opinion, and most of you have buy position around 1940, 1950. So my dear friends, if market goes for recovery, try to exit. Do not expect that market will be going up, market will be flying and you'll be ending up in profit. Okay, do not have unrealistic expectations from the market. DXY may go for correction, so you may get some recovery. That doesn't mean that there is a proper trend reversal right now. You can see here gold is standing at 1924 right now, and technically you can see the market is standing at the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. So if we look at the overall trend of gold here, then yes, overall trend is okay. It looks like that after some upside, gold was going for some recovery. Okay, you can see here if we draw FIBO, if you guys follow me, then you know it very well that market bounced from FIBO 50% retracement level. Market was taking support around this area. So after this up move, gold was going for downside. As we are day traders, so present trend of the market was towards it down only. But right now we can see that gold is no longer forming lower lows, which is a good sign because to continue the downside, sellers need to push the market down. Sellers need to have the power. And how do we understand the power of the sellers? We understand the power of the sellers when market forms lower low in the market. Okay, and here you can see that around 1915 to 1916 market is no longer forming lower lows. And another thing that we need to focus here is the market, not only in this particular chart but in all the markets around the world, you'll see that market forms lower lows and lower highs, and you can see that market this time has formed a higher high. So see, no market in the world always go in a particular direction. all the markets will have trend reversal at different points. And how do we identify a trend reversal? We identify trend reversal by looking at the highs and lows of the market. So here we can see that the structure of the market is changing right now. Previously, market was in uptrend, there was no doubt. But when the structure of the market changed here, market was in downtrend. And we are day traders. Obviously, we need to follow the trend of the market. Trend is above all. Okay. And again, we can see that gold is changing the structure slowly. Okay. So if market takes support again around 1915, 1916 level, we can expect that gold will be forming a higher high. Try to understand my point here. If you're a beginner, it may sound a little bit complicated, okay, but we are talking about the structure of the market and how the trend of a trend of a market changes. So if gold comes down, then obviously we have support around 1915 to 1916. If market takes support around this area, the next should be a higher high. Okay, means that gold should go like this. If something like this happens, you can expect that there is a possibility of a trend reversal in the coming days. Okay, but we don't have any guarantee right now. Okay, let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Okay, so what are the levels for the day then? First of all, we have a good support zone around 1915, 1916 area. We can see the market respected it. When gold broke 1925 level, 1925 was a very critical level for us. But when gold broke 1925 level, 1916 was the next support, and we can see that 1916 is working. That's a good news. So my dear friends, in case during the day market surprises us with heavy selling pressure, market is full of surprises. Okay, if market surprises us with heavy selling pressure, if gold breaks 1915, 1916 level, then your next support will be around 1910, 1911. 1910, 1911. 1910, 1911 will be the next support, and the ultimate support is around 1904. So on the chart of gold, we have three supports right now. The first support is around 1915 to 1916, where market is trying to take support from where market is trying to change the structure here. So it is a very important level right now, 15 to 16. During the day, if market comes down, observe the market around this area. If you see market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can go for a buy at 1915, 1916 level. Okay, but in case market breaks the level, let's say market witnesses heavy selling pressure, market starts falling with big red candles. If you see market is standing at 1915 level with a big red candle, then obviously 15 is not going to work. In that case, your next support will be 1910, 1911. Because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and then we have 1904, 1905 because of this support here. Okay, three support zones on the chart of gold, but let's keep our eyes on 1915, 1916 because market looks like that it is going for some recovery, or at least trying to recover. That's a good news. Okay, and on the other hand, if market goes up from here, what are the levels for us then? First of all, we have the 100 moving average here. Here you can see 50 moving average work as dynamic resistance. So we can expect that during the Asian session and European session, if market goes up, then 1929, 1930. Okay, 1929, 1930 may act as the dynamic resistance, and day traders, you can look for a quick selling opportunity for around 30-40 pips. If market reverses, if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, you can look for a sell. Go to 50 minutes time frame, because 1 hour time frame will be a slower one in dynamic resistance. Okay, 1929, 1930 is the first level where you can look for a sell, and then you can see that just above, okay, 1920, 1930, we have 1930.5, 1930.5, where we have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So if we combine all the factors here, that it seems like that this particular area seems to be a good resistance, at least during the Asian session and European session, because in comparison to US session, Asian and European session doesn't have much volatility, and we can expect reversal trades, because for breakout breakdowns, volume is extremely important. If the volume of the market remains like this, we can means day traders can look for a sell opportunity around this area. And if market breaks this level, okay, then though we have 200 moving average around 1932, but around 1935 we have previous resistance as well as FIBO 50% retracement level. So on the chart of gold, also we have few levels. If market goes up from here, first of all we have 1929 to 1930 31. If you want, then you can also consider 1932 also, because this whole level will be working as resistance. And do not try to take any buy position around this area because of multiple resistances. You can see here we have previous resistance around this area. We have 100 moving average, we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, we have 200 moving average. Oh my god, so many factors. So do not try to look for any buy position. If market reverses from here, you can look for a sell, and then the next selling opportunity may be around 1935 level. If gold struggles around 1935 level, if you see that okay, market is facing some resistance, you can look for a sell around 1935 as well. And that's it. These are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold for Friday. And as you guys already know that Hindi workshop has already started, and English workshop is about to start after 3 days. The world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. My dear friends, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. This workshop, as I have already said earlier, that is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for a couple of months and years. If you really like my work, if you really like my analysis, then you can consider joining the workshop, because this workshop has lots and lots of benefits. My dear friends, the workshop is part of the Pro Trader program, so don't get confused. If you go to my website, you can see that these are the benefits that you will be getting after joining the Pro Trader program. Means in the form of support. You can see here I have written my story, mentioned my story, so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And there's a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. These are the topics that we will be dealing in the workshop: day 1, day 2, day 3, and we will also be having weekly classes. After the 3 days workshop, you will not only be receiving regular market updates, analysis, trade setups. Okay, you will also be having weekly sessions. These are the topics that we'll be dealing in our weekly classes. And yes, these are the dates and the timing. You can see 11th September, 12th September, 13th September, timing is mentioned here. So once you're done with the payment, you simply need to WhatsApp the screenshot to this WhatsApp number, so that I can add you to the group. And yes, the best part is the fees. The fees, you can see, is only $15, rupees 1000 for Indians. It's a 3 days workshop with 1 month support. And these are the benefits that we'll be getting after joining. And as we all know that trading takes time. It's there is no shortcut in the market. Okay, it's a process. So if you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for mentorship, if you're looking for a longer relationship, then you can also sign up for a semi-annual program or lifetime support, which are also very affordable. You can see 3 days workshop with 6 months support is only $65, rupees 4000 for Indians. Not only you'll be getting all the benefits, but also you'll be getting 2 personal sessions with me, so that you can clear your doubts. Okay, you can, for learning purpose. And in lifetime, it's only $125, rupees 8000 for Indians. All the benefits for lifetime, plus you will be getting 6 personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, for learn fun, many things. Okay, so if you like my work, if you believe that my work will be beneficial in your trading journey, you can definitely sign up. Okay, feel free to check out, the link is in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.